side, 9 Whiskey Golf, see ya.
17, 12, 76,000, top.
Southwest 1817, Chicago approach, expect ILS 4 right. VetJet 613, turn right to 020, intercept 4 right, localizer.
020, intercept 4 right.
Send us out too far, we're going to be in that
VetJet
precinct.
613.
Yeah. See if that's pretty.
FlexJet 300, turn right, heading of 290.
290, FlexJet 300.
VetJet 613, cross Caden at 4, cleared ILS 4 right, maintain 170 knots to Sitco.
Agent 4, clear for the ILS 4 right, 170 knots to Sitco, VetJet 613.
929 Whiskey Golf, reduce speed 200.
Slow to 209 Whiskey Golf.
FlexJet 300, descend to maintain 3000.
On 443, FlexJet 300.
Flaps 12.
Southwest
It's a
1817,
12, speed check,
maintain
select
5000.
5,000, that's it.
Go in and come out of it. Well, flap show it.
Roger, thank you.
FlexJet 300, flooding 310.
310, FlexJet 300.
929 Whiskey Golf, maintain 3000.
3000, 9 Whiskey Golf.
There's 3,000 set, 1,000 to go.
Southwest 302, traffic is 12 o'clock and 6 miles southbound out at 1200 for 3. He'll be exponentially climbing to 4 here.
Southwest 302 is IMC, sir.
Southwest 302, reduce speed 210.
210, Southwest 302.
Southwest 1817, reduce speed 210.
210, South 1870.
And departure November 555, Lima Romeo is out of 2 for 3, heading 180.
555, Lima Romeo, Chicago departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4000 and turn left, heading up 120.
Alright, up to 4,000, left to 120 for 5 Lima Romeo.
FlexJet 300, turn right to 020, intercept 4 right.
020, intercept 4 right, FlexJet 300.
929 Whiskey Golf, reduce speed 180.
180 speed, 9 Whiskey Golf.
Southwest 302, reduce speed
Plus
180.
180, Southwest 302.
Southwest 1817, reduce speed 180.
108 knots, South 1870.
FlexJet 300, maintain 3 to establish, cleared ILS 4 right.
Brakes off.
Maintain 3, cleared ILS 4 right, FlexJet
Wait till
300.
the reach.
ExecJet 613, reduce to your final, contact the or midway tower 135.
Radio altimeter.
Reduce to final and switching tower, ExecJet 613.
November 5, Lima Romeo, turn left, heading of 090, maintain 5000.
Alright, 090 to 5,000 for 5 Lima Romeo.
9 Whiskey Golf, turn right to 310.
Right 310, 9 Whiskey Golf.
FlexJet 300, 170 knots to Sitco, contact the midway tower at Sitco 135.2.
170 Sitco, call the tower there, FlexJet 300.
Southwest 302, descend to maintain 4000.
4000, Southwest 302.
Southwest 1817, maintain 4000.
4,000, South 1870.
5 Lima Romeo, turn left to 090, contact departure on 128.2.
Alright, 28.2 and ahead to 090 for 5 Lima Romeo.
929 Whiskey Golf, maintain 2500.
2,500, 9 Whiskey Golf.
Southwest 302, maintain 4 to establish, cleared ILS 4 right, 170 knots to Sitco.
170 Sitco, 4000
to
till
go.
established, cleared ILS 4 right, Southwest 302.
Southwest 1817, maintain 4 to establish, cleared ILS 4 right, reduce speed to 170.
170 knots and 4 till established. Cleared the ILS runway 4 right. Southwest 1870.
November 929 Whiskey Golf, turn right to 020, intercept 4 right.
Right 020, intercept 4 right, 9 Whiskey Golf.
020 for the
Or
intercept.
9 Whiskey Golf, maintain 2,500 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 4 right approach.
2,500 till established, cleared ILS 4 right approach, 9 Whiskey Golf. Clear for the approach.
Clear for the approach. Here it comes.
We are up to standing by, holding on to gear.
Roger that.
Nine Whiskey Golf, 170 knots or greater to Sitco. Contact the Midway Tower at Sitco 135.2.
170 or greater Sitco, and then 35.2 there at the tower, 9 Whiskey Golf, thanks.
Southwest 302, reduce speed 160. 160, Southwest 302.
Gear down.
95, good gear speed checked, selected.
$170 to Sitco.
Down 3 green. It is on, the light is out. We got good hydraulic pressure both sides.
1841.
Midway Tower, Galaxy 929 Whiskey Golf, Sitco, 4 right.
929 Whiskey Golf, Midway Tower, runway 4 right, clear to land, traffic hold in position, safe parking.
4 right, clear to land, we'll be going to the Atlantic South ramp, 9 Whiskey Golf.
Ultimate 331, Midway Tower, 4 right, line
Flaps
up
full
and
before
wait
landing
traffic for
checklist.
your runway 4 out.
Line up, wait, 4 right, Ultimate 331.
Okay, there's 40 flaps. Autopilot yawdims to go.
Roger, here they come.
Ultimate 331, caution wait turbulence, part of 737, turn right 1304, right clear for takeoff.
130, clear for takeoff, 4 right,
40
Ultimate
flap yawdim
331.
displayed, we've been cleared to land.
Flexion
Landing
300,
circle
turn
is
left
complete.
November, call ground.
There's 1,000, we're
November,
stable.
we'll call ground there, Flexion 300.
Roger.
South
See him
1541, right
taxiing in.
turn 090,
1,000.
departure.
Park South 1541.
Hey Tower, Southwest 302 is with you, ILS 4 right, you know if it's dry down there? And Southwest 302, Midway Tower, runway 4 right, clear to land, and let me ask an arrival what they
That
say.
guy on the roll.
Looks dry. And I heard it was dry. ExecJet 613, cross runway 4 left, then call
Hold on.
ground.
Alright, clear to cross 4 left, over to ground there on the side, ExecJet 613.
Runway's clear.
Roger. Landing.
500, stable. Counter.
Southwest 1029, Midway Tower.
100.
3.5 mile final 4 right, line up and wait.
4 right, left, wait, South 1029.
50,
Ultimate 331, heading
30,
130,
20.
contact departure.
10.
Alright, Ultimate 331, 130, good day.
Got your taps.
929 Whiskey Golf, turn right, any right turn, no delay exiting, please call ground.
Okay, we'll hustle off and call ground, 9 Whiskey Golf.
Yankee 5 will work.
Yeah, grab Yankee 5, 2165. Nice.
613, we're contact signature via November Whiskey, cross runway 21 right, hold short runway 21 center.
Alright, clear to cross 31 right, short of 31 center on November Whiskey, ExecJet 613.
Ultimate 1802,
Clear and left.
you're going to follow the citation to runway 4 right. They're currently on Kilo. They're going to go in front of you.
Okay, follow the citation, Ultimate Jet 1802.
Ground 929, Whiskey Golf, clear of 4 right to Atlantic South ramp.
And who's going to Atlantic?
929 Whiskey Golf.
Number 929 Whiskey Golf, and we're contact Atlantic via Yankee, cross runway 31 right, 31 center, 31 left.
Atlantic crossing 31 right, 31 center, and 31 left, 9 Whiskey Golf.